Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sign out of Canva on all devices. To sign out of Canva on all devices, you'll need to use the security setting on your account. Open your Canva application on your mobile device or your computer and tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. From the menu interface, select your name or your username at the top and then click on Settings from the list. Inside the Settings menu, click on Login and Security. Now scroll all the way down from the Login and Security page and tap on Sign Out from all device. Confirm your choice by tapping on Sign Out of all device again, and you will then be able to log out from all the devices that has been logged in with your Canva account. This will now invalidate any active sessions. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. We'll be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.